Hello everyone, my name is Danny and I'm going to be teaching you how to do a really simple, everyday, natural dewy makeup. Starting off with the Revolution Conceal and Glow Foundation. All you need is one pump of this, a little bit goes a long way, and just dab this over your face. Next I'm taking the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer, and with this I like to place a little bit under my eye and then take that out to the outer eye, then using a beauty blender just to really get there and blend it out. Next I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Warm Olive, and I use this for cream contour. This is probably one of my favourite steps of my makeup. Next for brows, I'm taking the Revolution Soap Brow, which is just the best thing ever. Just brush your brows up, and then my little tip when you use soap, use your finger and just rub that over. Next I'm taking the e.l.f. setting powder, which is vital for any makeup. Using a small fluffy brush, really get up towards your eye and always pat, never rub, and I like to just carve my contour out just a little bit. For highlight, I'm taking the Rimmel Jelly Highlighter in the shade Candy Queen. With natural everyday makeup, I'd rather use a cream highlight than a powder one. It just looks much more natural. Next I'm taking my L'Oreal bronzer to bronze up and warm my face up. Taking a big fluffy brush, just apply this on your cheeks, not forgetting your forehead and your jaw. My biggest tip when doing bronzer is imagine your face is like a heart. Everything on the outside needs to be dark and everything on the inside needs to be light. So keep that bronzer towards your cheekbones. The more bronzer, the better. Now for mascara, firstly I'm going to curl my lashes, and I always like to heat my eyelashes up first, which sounds crazy but it works. And then using the famous Maybelline Sky High Mascara, just apply this to my lashes. And then do the other side. Last but not least, lips, my favourite part. Using my NYX lip liner in the shade Sandstorm, just really naturally line your lips. Pairing that with my favourite lip gloss, the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. I love a lip gloss. And that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and obsessed with the products as much as I am, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye!